Davis County Community Schools reopened today after a confirmed case of whooping cough canceled classes last Friday. Iowa HHS says infants are the highest risk for getting sick, and the associated complications and the disease is highly infectious. Doctors say parents shouldn't wait to take action. Symptoms can take up to 2 weeks to appear.
It's cough, you can have a mild, you can have temperature. It's sometimes hard to see the difference between pertussis and flu. The issue is that usually the flu will go away after a period of time, and your cough with pertussis will just continue and continue.
Doctors urge anyone exposed to whooping cough and experience symptoms to contact their medical provider right away. They say early treatment is critical to prevent serious, potentially life-threatening complications.